for me and my dark bedroom. It's 6 a.m. on a Thursday morning and it's so cold today. Trust me, the last thing I want to do right now is to get up from my bed. But my alarm just keeps ringing. And yeah, I don't have a choice. I just have to stand up, which is so annoying. Ugh. The first thing I literally do every morning is to open my curtain, because that just gives me the whole vibes of a new day. And then I do my devotion. I get my Bible and read my favorite Bible verse and pray. I can't just jump out from my bed and head out to wherever I want to go to without thanking God for a new day. For me, it's a priority. It must be done every morning. Sure. I usually have 1 or 2 cups of water in the morning and to make my system alive and active. If you know what I mean. The next thing I do is to dress my bed. I feel my day hasn't started if my bed isn't dressed. Like if I want to be productive, I have to dress my bed. If not, I will just be bored the whole of that day, and that wouldn't make sense. Yeah. So after that, I usually plan my day in the morning. Yeah, by drafting out a to-do list where I write all the activities I think I will do that day. And somehow that just helped me get all my stuff together. And then it makes my work very easy. Like I mean very, very easy. And of course, I'll go brush my teeth. If you see me dancing there, I was driving to a music by Nuel the Extraordinary. Man, that jam is a whole lot of vibes. You might want to go check it out. I'll drop the link below on my description. So guys, go check it out. I promise you won't regret it. Basically that's it. I'm done brushing my teeth, so I'm going to just head out to go have breakfast. Okay, so I'm putting in the kitchen and I just want to boil water for the tea.
I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my mistakes. I've been too fragile through my life, and I'm missing you so bad. Don't know if I should call you back. You know it's getting dark inside my head. I feel there's something that is stopping me now.
Yeah guys, I just got done with eating and I'm going to the room now to go and have my bath and prepare for school. Yeah. At this point I feel like going to sleep, but I can't because I have so many things to do. Anyway, see you there.
And I try to forget all what I had, but is my mind really gonna cut you out? I feel like no.
Hey guys, I'm going to take my Bergs and I'm dressed for school already. They said I was going to school around 10 and yeah, this is 10:30 something, so I'll just start going to school. Anyway, basically yeah, this is just basically I'm ready to go to school and stuff.
Yes.
Hey guys, so I was supposed to do a video in school, but I couldn't because rain has been falling back to back and my battery is really low, so I'll just go and continue. Rain is still falling, as you can see. This is my friend. Say hi.
Hi. Your name is
Yes. Oh yes, square.
Onye square. Onye with the square. Square root of 2.
Anyway, Sha.
I'm heading home already. I can't stay till evening because the rain is falling out. Till I get home.
Guys, it's been raining back to back in Jos and I don't know what to do. I had to leave school early because somehow I don't just like cold. So I stopped by at where they sell corn and I got some corn. So I'm just using that to warm myself up. But anyway, heading home soon. And yeah, when I get home I'll give you guys the update. Guys, I wasn't able to vlog again because of the rain. Like it just kept falling and falling and falling. Spoiled my day, spoiled my mood, spoiled every single thing. I had too many things to do today, but I wasn't even able to do half of it. But anyway, I had to bring in this support and my other sister did the other day to make the vlog end well. Yeah. And that's it. Please, if you're still watching to this very point, please give this video a thumbs up. Please drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you feel about all the heavy yeah, how rain can spoil somebody's day. And so if you have ever spoiled your day, share with us and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please guys, subscribe. Thanks for supporting me. See you in my next video. Ciao ciao.